Hi, all. Welcome back to the Testing Mentor. Let me ask you something honestly. When you hear AI in testing, what's the first emotion? Excitement, confusion, or that quiet anxiety that says, am I already falling behind? Because I get this question almost every week now. How much AI do I actually need to know to crack SDET roles in 2026? And the fear behind that question is not about AI, it's about relevance. It's really asking, am I becoming obsolete? Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Companies are not hiring AI engineers for estate roles. They are hiring testers who can think and use AI wisely. They don't want data scientists in disguise, ML researchers in test teams, or someone who just pastes prompts into ChatGPT. They want someone who can answer questions like where does AI help? Where does it hurt? What should never be automated? What must always remain a human decision? That's what separates noise from value. When interviewers say, do you know AI? They're not asking if you can build a neural network. They're asking, do you understand what AI is good at? Do you know where it lies? Can you validate what it produces? Can you design systems around it? For an SDET today, AI knowledge means knowing that AI is great at patterns, not meaning. Knowing that AI can suggest tests but can't judge risk. Knowing that AI can cluster failures but can't decide impact. You don't need Python models, you need judgment. In real interviews, the questions sound like this. How would you use AI in your testing workflow? How would you validate AI generated tests? Where would you not use AI? And strong answers sound like I would use AI to reduce noise, like grouping failures or suggesting test cases, but the final decision stays with humans. Or AI can speed up execution, but test strategy still needs context and business understanding. That tells the interviewer this person won't blindly trust tools. This person understands responsibility. Weak answers sound like AI will replace testers, we should automate everything, let the model decide coverage. That's not modern, that's dangerous. AI shines in places where humans get tired. Log analysis, failure clustering, pattern detection, test data generation, suggesting edge cases. But testing is not just finding defects, it's about understanding user pain, anticipating risk, asking uncomfortable questions, challenging assumptions. AI doesn't feel friction. AI doesn't sense confusion. AI doesn't understand why something matters. That's still your job. You don't need deep learning math, model training pipelines, neural network architectures, data science theory, unless you're applying for a research heavy AI role. That knowledge won't be asked. What will be noticed is can you explain AI simply? Can you critique its output? Can you design safeguards? Can you own responsibility? So, here's the calm truth. You don't need to become an AI expert to crack SDET roles in 2026. You need to become a better thinker, someone who knows what to automate, what to question, what to never hand over, and where humans must stay in control. AI will make testing faster, but you still decide what matters. And that's not becoming irrelevant. That's becoming irreplaceable. If you would like to watch more AI related content in my upcoming videos, please comment AI in the comment section below. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.